At number 2, we have the COSORI CP267-FD. The COSORI CP267-FD Premium Stainless Steel Food Dehydrator excels in performance, consistently delivering evenly dehydrated foods thanks to its rear-mounted fan and heating elements. It features a 48-hour timer, precise temperature controls ranging from 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and a quiet operation at less than 48 decibels, making it unobtrusive in a home environment. Durability is ensured with its stainless steel construction, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind to users. The dehydrator is user-friendly, with a simple control panel for easy operation and automatic shutoff for safety. Its design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most kitchen appliances, though its size may require a significant amount of counter space. On the downside, some users have reported inaccuracies in the included recipe book's times and temperatures for long-term storage, and there have been occasional reports of units failing, which, while rare, are usually quickly addressed by COSORI's responsive customer service.